today we're gonna be doing something different. We're not cooking anything. We're just gonna open up all the goodies that I got for the kitchen because as you can see in my previous videos, nothing really matched and the aesthetic wasn't aestheticing. All right, so first we're gonna go in with all my goodies came from Amazon. I'll tell you the names, and I need to get an Amazon storefront, so anything you saw that you like, you could just go and click, click, click away. I'll try to set that up. So first we're gonna go in with my Make Cook. Look at this. Knife set. Isn't that nice? Let's see what it's looking like. Let's see. Of course. All right, so it came with some measuring cups. And of course I took everything white because as you guys know, my whole kitchen is for the most part white. So I didn't want to go off the color scheme. Look at this. So cute, right? All right. So it's white and gold. Really cute. Make Cook is the name. It's a 26-piece set. So we're gonna open up all of this. All right, so we're unboxing all of the knives. I don't know which one goes where now. I'm not supposed to figure that out. This one's kind of wide. It's one of those, so we'll figure it out as we go. Everyone's home. Kids are doing the homework. Normal night. Normal night in the kitchen. A lot of these are all the same size. They're something called the 8s. So they're all like replicas. Really cute. Really, really cute. All right, so we're gonna set up all of the knives and then I'll show you guys what I got next. So here's the knives all set up. Ain't it cute? We're gonna put that up on the counter. I'm gonna find a nice spot for them. They're so cute. All right, so next, what is this? I don't even remember what I be ordering sometimes because I'm a shopaholic. So you guys need to go back, watch some of my vids, check out what I got going on. My latest video, I made lasagna, was delicious, okay? We just got out of the pool, if I'm just looking a mess. But I said, you know what, everything came in. By the time I came in the door, Amazon was here. So these are my utensils and just a 7-piece white and gold, also from Amazon. Oh, I got a lot going on back there. They already look like they kept them. Oh my gosh, they already arranged them for me. How cute. Look at that. So again, I got more of these. Never go wrong with measuring cups, but these are gold. That's what makes them so cute. And we got the white and gold going. I'm gonna have my daughter take all of the plastics off of those, but isn't it nice? Oh my God. Okay, next I went for, because I like to make chicken and I like to have cut up chicken, like especially like stewed chicken. Because I am Jamaican, you know. So I like to make stewed chicken a lot. And trying to cut up for my stewed chicken, it's really hard without a cleaver. So I got a nice Cuisinart cleaver. I gotta get a good sharpener for this. I couldn't find it in gold, so we just went with a traditional gold one. Then next I got a Schmidt cutting board. I always need my cutting board. In my videos, I normally am using plates and things to cut on, just because my other cutting board is just so ratchet to use on camera, but not because I don't have one. But I bought one that is nice to do the videos. Oh, I thought there was something in there. Like, isn't it nice? Like, if you were gonna make a cheese board, you know, I can never say the word right, so I'm not even gonna attempt, but cutting board is a must. So I got the knives, got the utensils, got my new cutting board. You know what's next. You know what's next. So, I got this, which is for my sink. I always need something to keep the plates drying off and stuff, and I don't really like the aesthetic of a dish rack, so I'm really excited about this. So here's what I really was waiting on. My pot set. My pot set. So I always go to Walmart and all over, and I see this pot set in all types of colors, but you know what color is always missing? The white and gold. And I got it. I got it, you guys. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot going on in here. Okay. All right, so we have our pot covers. I love getting new pots. Anything new for the kitchen. I love fresh pots. Look at this. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. These are ceramic, I believe. Yes, they are ceramic. These are for, you know, resting down your pot when it's hot. Just burn up your countertops. Wow, this set is just gorgeous. It's the handles for me. The gold handles for me. So cute. So cute. What else is in here? Oh, this is the bigger pot. And of course, the frying pan. Skillet. All right. I got one more pot left in there. Oh my gosh, so cute. Another cupboard. Look at that. Oh my God. So cute. Oh yeah. We got a whole new kitchen set. I'm just so excited to make some junk, right? So, and I get these out. It's just so cute. If I show you guys up close. So cute. It's the bomb. I'm gonna wait for my daughter, but I think I'm gonna just do it. And of course, the other day they were laughing at me that where was my tongs when I was making my chicken. I now got a new set of tongs. So yeah, I got a few other knick-knack paddywhacks coming for the kitchen. So you guys will see me cooking and looking good. And looking good. yeah, we'll be cooking and looking good from now on. My white and gold new set, even though this gold is a little brighter than my pot, but you guys get the memo. But yeah, if you like anything, I'm going to try to, like I said, make a cute little Amazon storefront. And anything you want to get, you could just go there and click from there so that you could get anything. I really love this set. It's just so cute. But yeah, guys, that concludes our little kitchen haul. We'll be making something new. Don't forget, comment stuff you want me to make. Like, comment, share, subscribe, the whole shebang. Come back to the kitchen so we can get cooking. Good looking.